Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the October 28th edition of the Carolina Weather Video here for this Wednesday. And a lot of rain occurred around our area yesterday into last night. Many Piedmont locations in excess of 1 inch of rain. It was really coming down for a while. But that system is exiting. Sunshine making its return today. I'll talk more about that, plus your weekend forecast here in just a moment. But let's start off with the fall foliage report. This is another great shot from our friends up at Grandfather Mountain. And there's some spectacular colors still to enjoy in the lower mountain elevations, especially below about 3,000 feet. And of course that nice color is spread down into the Piedmont zones as well. And the good news is there's going to be some great weather coming up over the next couple of days to check out those fall colors. The sunshine returns today. We'll see a lot of sun tomorrow. And still dry Friday, although the clouds will be on the return. So some pretty nice weather ahead to check out the fall foliage that's occurring around the region. Here's the radar this morning just prior to 5 a.m. The rain is now gone for much of the southeast. The exception is the coastal part of the Carolinas. There's been some severe weather this morning from Myrtle Beach up toward Wilmington. A couple severe thunderstorm warnings there. And that activity is racing eastward and away from our area. And there's quite a spread in temperatures this morning. Some 70s for the coastal plain, but still 50s for Charlotte and Greensboro, where that wedge is still in place. But things changing as this storm system is wrapping up and pulling away. The air a lot drier behind it, so we will see sunshine returning today. It'll be a much warmer day. Our highs this afternoon up into the 70s. Now, I want to show you this. Look at this snow beginning to break out from Colorado up into Nebraska. That is the beginnings of a major October winter storm. The pink or peach highlighted counties here, those are winter storm warnings in effect for many Rocky Mountain locations, and then the winter storm watch extends northeast from there. Those will be upgraded to warnings later on as this system pulls out into the northern plains by tomorrow. And this is going to be a major winter storm. Notice this very significant 500 millibar trough and closed low there over the Rockies. We're talking some Rocky Mountain spots picking up 2 feet of snow, and that could include the Denver metro area as well. So this is a major disruptive early season winter storm. Month of October for Denver to get 2 feet of snow possibly, that's pretty impressive. And that storm system will be lifting northeastward. So here's what it looks like at the surface. There's all that snow back in the Rockies. Meanwhile, we have a tranquil day today, tomorrow, and Friday. Highs today in the mid-70s with sunshine returning. Looks like a lot of sun tomorrow with the highs at lower 70s in most Piedmont spots. High pressure sort of wedging down the eastern side of the mountains again. And that'll lead to a lot of cloud cover Friday as that powerhouse storm system lifts into Canada. But some changes in the forecast over the weekend. Looks dry Friday with the cloud cover building in. Now what's happening on the modeling today is this is the GFS valid Saturday evening. And notice it's cut off a piece of that 500 millibar energy there around Arkansas. The European does the same thing, and because of that, we see a much slower movement of the front on the modeling today for this weekend as compared to what we saw yesterday. So while yesterday looked like that front would blow through by Saturday afternoon, it looks a little slower now. So the timing of that weekend front a bit in question. So this is the GFS, and it actually, if you take it at face value, the 0Z run here, it keeps us dry Saturday with the shower chances moving through, say, late Saturday night and especially into Sunday morning. So what I've done with this morning's forecast package is I've included a chance of some showers anywhere from late Saturday into early Sunday. We'll continue to fine-tune the timing of that, but there will be a shower chance at some point over the weekend. All right, out to Monday. Looks like high pressure builds in. It'll be a pretty nice couple of days there, Monday and Tuesday, with probably some 60s for highs, and a low temperatures probably trying to dip down into the 30s again by Tuesday and Wednesday morning if present indications hold. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great Wednesday, and God bless.